something nice. Well, this should work now. And well, we need to specify that we have to go to the blogs and then that's the post. So now if we go back to our create page and press submit, okay, it still does not work. Okay, that is something new. Well, it should work, but why it is not working? Why is it not working? Hmm. It should go over here and it does not even console log this. Let me just try and restart the server. Okay. So now it is listening on port 4000. So that means our port has been started. And it takes me to the 404 port. Okay. All right. Let me just check the code for the finished one so that I can know what mistake I'm doing. And this is too big for now. This is the single blog, add blog. Oh, but this is bad. No, this is not the code we are looking for. It should be in me. No, not this. This one. Yes, this is the finished code. Let's just see how does that look. Hmm. Okay, so we are doing this in a better way. Okay, so let's just not do that shortcut way. For some reason, it is not working. I will try and figure that out. But for now, what we will be doing is adding in a script. So I will add a script tag, and then inside that, what you have to do is select the form. So this is your form. So once you say const form equals to query, sorry, document dot query selector, document dot query selector all, and then inside that we will say form. Now just to know that we are getting our form, so let's just say console.log form. And if we go to refresh this page right now, it should say yeah, we do get a form. Okay, and from this form we need to prevent the default routing. So once I click on the form, this is the form, and then this goes here, and then this goes here, and just click on submit. Okay, it does not work right now. What happened suddenly? Okay, now we are going in there, so that is a problem. What is this happening? Yes, it does get over there. Then it says that there is an incoming message. So that means that this works. Wait a minute, huh? Okay, so this is not working right now. Okay, so we now know that our this is working. Chalo, so this should also mean that this works. So right now, let me just remove this from the comments, and then let's just submit this form again, and we are getting undefined. Uh, it's a response. What does it say for response? Oh boy, this is bad. Mm, well, it does gives us. Okay, wait a minute, huh? Let me just check what is wrong with this. Mm, I'll stop the recording also. Why are you doing this to me now? Well, this should not be over here then, if it is working, and if it is going to the post method also. Hmm. Where is this guy? So this guy goes in there properly. Okay, so it fetches the blocks. But are we not doing the same thing? It does say action equals to blocks. Well, it should work. Am I doing the method wrong? Let's just try this directly itself. Okay. So now if I submit it, well, we still get undefined. Yeah, we are still getting undefined. So, and even in parameters, it is empty. So there's nothing wrong over here, but still it does say that request.body is undefined. It should work. For some reason, it just does not want to work right now. So what is the problem with it? Okay, so okay, let's just see. This is. Can you hear me? Yeah, I'm unmuted, right? Let's just try restarting our server. It should work. Well, right now. Okay, so we go to the new blog and then say, hey, this please work. Just work. Working body. Okay, let's just hope it. Okay, so right now it did work and then it did this also. Okay, so this is still not working. We are getting an undefined. This is not supposed to happen. Okay, we go to the create and then we go somewhere and just submit it. Okay, so there is some kind of problem over here. Let's just see method equals to post. Please work now. Hopefully it works. Okay, so let's just see. It does get you a returned undefined. Well, this should not happen. What about just this guy? Okay, it says blog validation failed. Okay, so what all is, yeah, snippet is required, and body is also required, snippet is also required. Let's see if it is actually working. So let's just go to insomnia. Mm, okay, so title, snippet, and body and all is here. Okay, so this, let's just see this, and then it says send. Okay, It returns 404 not found, and now it is failed. Title is required. Okay, title is required. T needs to be capital over here. Well, now what failed? Title is still required. Hmm. Well, title is required. Okay. So from here it is coming. Title is required. Okay. And then let's just try to add in something else over here. It still says blog validation failed. Let's just restart our server. Okay, failure with receiving data from title is required, validation is required, listening on phone body is required. What is wrong? This is a spelling mistake. Snippet, and then body. Uh, let's see if this works now. Nope. And what about the blog? It is not even coming in. All right. So this is a problem then. Uh, Save this. Let's go there. It is giving out an ID. Controllers, routes, blog routes. This is the new views. I don't think we need this. I just created this to show Muzammil. Delete permanently. Where is it getting this ID from? It should not get this ID. What about the app.js file? Is there something wrong with this? No. All right. So this is actually your blog. It is coming back with an ID. So if you see this 7 over here, it means that the blog is being created. Okay. I guess there is some issue with why do we have a blog over here? It is saving the blog. Well, that is wrong. It should not do that. Okay. So let's just do remove this also and just say console.log request.body. Please do that. Okay, it is not getting the body itself. That is a problem. All right, all right. Let me just cross check the code. Okay, so this is supposed to be the controller, and then when we go to the create.ejs file, whatever the app.js file, what does it say? Okay, okay, my bad, please. Well, we should not. We should not be using slash about and all. So login, sign up and all is not supposed to be here right now. Okay, we will only have the 404 page. Please work at least now. So it does say still. Okay, so uh, let's just put this guy also below this, and then over here. Now let we can try it out. What is the problem? Well, it still says blog validation failed. Okay, let's just send this. It says undefined. Well, it means that it is not getting the body. Now, for some reason, why is it not getting the body? But this is working, right? Uh, let's just try this. Okay, so now mm, over here, this should work. Okay, this works. Okay, and these blogs are coming from these are coming from here only, right? So yeah, this is working. Okay, so if this is working, this also should work. Okay, so this let's just see. uh, there is request, and then we are console logging the request also, so this works. Okay, and over here let's just say console log this cld. Let's just try this. Bye bye insomnia. Well, for some reason it does not work now, so that is bad. Okay, so it is going in here and then it is not receiving the body. Body is not defined. Why is the body being not defined? uh, we are using a post method over here, so it should say post. Let's just add a slash create. Okay, and then block create post, and then this block create post comes from block create post. All right, it does redirect me to the saved board. Method equals to post. Please work. Chalo. Hmm, not you. Not you and not you. So you are like this. Let's just remove the method right now. Well, that will just blog slash create. Chalo, so this should not. This should work now. Hopefully, it is also redirecting us. Uh, okay, so this is not working right now. Let's just hope that if this is not working, mm, okay, let's just create a new page. So do we have a details page right now? No. Why is that not working? So now let's just go to the index.ejs and then we'll copy this guy, paste it over here. Okay. So this is just the index.ejs file. I just copied it just for testing. Okay. And then over here, let's just post in the So now we are in this controller. Okay. So now, well, if we go to this part, it says request.params.id, right? Well, now if we put in some ID over here, so like this ID, okay, so it should say read rest, okay, rest.data use dot block controller 38. Okay, this is just not working. Invalid status code title not found. All right, well, that is bad right now. So let's go to the details. Okay. Uh, well, for now, let's go to the home page so that we can get some ID. So this is an ID. Okay. So okay. Well, let's just put in this ID over here and console log the result. Hoping that we are getting an ID right now. Okay. So okay, okay. It does get the ID because it says fourth block. This is my third block here, and this is the first block in the database. Okay, so this comes from the database. There's some problem with request and responses. Okay. Uh, what is the problem then? Blog is not defined. The blog is not defined. What about now? Mm, still says blog is not defined. Defense error, blog is not defined. All right, all right. We will just remove this. No, we will remove this entire line. We will also be removing this, and removing this. Please work for the sake of God. What is the problem here? Well, for some reason this is not working, so it does get me inside over here, right? This dot here use redirect status and then URL. Status 404 and then URL. App crashes right now. So, it does get this, but on rendering, it is not able to find this file. View engine EJS. Mhm. Okay, so this is just wasting our lecture right now. Yeah, this is bad. This is very, very bad. Okay, let's start with our app.js file. So we are listening to Mongoose. We are connecting to the database. We are in the then block. Okay, so this is working. So this part of the code is working. This is also working, and this is also working. Okay, when then we go to the blocks part. Well, this is. Hmm, Okay, so we are supposed to after that come over here. Okay, so after going over here, so that is inside the model view. So in the model in block.js, we have no, not in the block.js file. Which file are we looking for right now? Inside the routes, right? So inside block routes, we should have an express. So we are doing express. Then are we importing the block controller? Yeah, that is also working. We are also getting the router right now, and then we are using instances of router. So this is router.get, router.get. Okay, so this all is perfect. Okay, so this is perfect. But what is going wrong after this? So once we enter this and then we go to the controller, okay? So once we go to the controller, it should take in blog create post, and then we should get a request. Okay, so I hope that we are getting a request. So this is the new blog, then this and this and this, and then submit it. So on submit, we are just being redirected to the slash create blog. Oh boy, this is so bad. Okay, now it is not even connecting to the MongoDB. Please restart. Hmm. So we did get this, and then that, and then that, and then clicking on submit. All right, we are not even going in over here. So what is the problem with this? So do you have a problem over here? Blog.controller blog.create post. So we are in blog create post. Okay, so please console log something at least. Okay, so let's just hope that it works now. No, no, no. There's some issue with this guy right now. Uh, okay. The entire mongoose is not working right now. That is bad. Let's just go ahead and try deleting the node modules folder. There will be definitely a very, very silly error, which we are not able to find, and I will figure that out later, and then I will tell you guys. But right now, I'm not able to find that. There must be some very, very small error. Okay, please work right now, please, please, please. Okay, so now you are going over here. Please console log that you are getting over here. So where are you? Where are you? Hmm. In post. Okay. So now if we are in post, go back. Please post this. Okay, we are not even posting right now. Okay. Uh, we are supposed to say action equals to slash blogs. Okay. Okay, now it should work. Please just. So now it still doesn't work. Okay, we are now going inside post, so that is a good news. Well, are we getting the proper request? Yes, we are getting a proper request. So now, if we look inside this, are we getting a request dot body, request body? There is no body inside this. There is some problem. What can be the problem right now? Yeah, this is bad. Okay, we are getting an undefined right now. Hmm. Okay, see, this is not working. Let's just see if the other code works. So if I go to the desktop right now, and I guess it is in the new folder, right? So this is our code right now. Okay. So over here, I have done the same thing. It says blog action equals to slash blogs, and then there is the method of post. Do I have to add something inside the script tag or something? No, no, no. Let's just see if this code works right now. Then I will just explain it to you guys, because I also can't seem to figure out why it is not working. So I will put in a script and then paste it over here. Okay, so this is the title, and then this is the snippet, and then this is the so hmm, so this is our this we don't have others right now. So by class equals to title, and then inside title, then this is the snippet class. Okay, and then over here we will have the body class. So now snippet, please, snippet, and then we have the body. Let's just hope that this works now. Okay, it is not working at all. Okay, well, for some reason the scripts on the pages are not working right now. So yeah, I forgot to console log this, guys. So right now let's just see console log form, and then we will also console log the snippet out, and then body also. So right now if we refresh, yeah, we are getting the form. Okay, so that is our form. Chalo, that is good. Okay, so this is the code for submitting the data. I'm sorry I'm not explaining all this, but once it works I will just explain it to you guys. Please, we don't have any errors, so we don't need hmm, and we also don't need to do this. Okay. Hmm. Well, we also don't need this right now, so which means that we don't need this one also. Fetch blocks method is posts, and then inside that we are passing in the body. Well, at this point at least it should work. If data.blog, let's just do this console log data. Let's just comment this out, console log data. Chalo. So right now if I refresh the page and go to the here, no, it just does not want to work. All right. Don't save that. Yeah, I was editing in the wrong place. Uh, okay, it says failed to fetch data. Why did it fail to fetch data? Okay, it is not even sending in stuff. So right now there is some problem with the backend, and our time is also almost over. So गाइस, अगर आप लोग प्रॉब्लम समझ लिए तो प्लीज मुझे बताओ। हम्म? मजे मत लेते बैठो वहां पे।
अरे नहीं सर, हम भी देख रहे हैं।
लेकिन चल रहा तो है, मेरे पास बाजू में सेम कोड ओपन है, वो चल रहा है। एग्जैक्ट है, मैं उसके साथ में कंपेयर करके देख रहा हूँ, एग्जैक्ट है कोड। अब यहाँ पर
हाँ,
भी
तो ये
डैश
स्पेलिंग
डैश।
मिस्टेक रहेंगे।
नहीं 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 नहीं, स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक रहती तो बॉडी, ये जो बॉडी आती है ना।
लाइनें आती अगर स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक होती तो।
नहीं, हाँ, कौन सी लाइंस?
अंडरलाइन आती है जो एरर बताती हैं इस तरीके से।
हाँ हाँ, वो वाली। ओके, ये नहीं करते फिलहाल। रिस्पॉन्स डॉट रेस डॉट सेंड, और कहाँ पर है वो? शिफ्ट में नहीं है ना, वो नया वाला कोड कहाँ पर है? ये कंप्लीटेड कोड है जो मैं अभी कॉपी कर रहा हूँ, वो वाला। ठीक है। ओ नो, ये काय के लिए हो गया, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। ठीक है, ये यहाँ पर नहीं होना चाहिए था। ओके, ये भी नहीं, ये वाला भी नहीं। मिडलवेयर ऑथेंटिकेशन, मिडलवेयर ना। या, नहीं तो मिडलवेयर है ना, ये हमारे काम की नहीं है, कंट्रोलर। हाँ, ओके, ब्लॉक डिटेल्स, ब्लॉक क्रिएट पोस्ट। यहाँ पर है लोकल्स ब्लॉक, देन हाँ रिस्पॉन्स डॉट जेसन यूज करते हैं ना। ठीक है, चलो। ये वाला कोड है, नहीं, ये वाला कोड है, राइट। जो आज पढ़ाना था ना, वो वाला कोड मेरे पीसी में ओपन है और वो उधर चल रहा है। मैं अभी जस्ट रन करके देखा, पर ये वाला नहीं चल रहा है। अनएक्सपेक्टेड टोकन एट, कहाँ पर अनएक्सपेक्टेड टोकन एट ग्रेटर देन इन जेसन एट पोजीशन 0, और ये एरर में से आ रहा है। अच्छी बात है। हम क्रिएट डॉट ईजीएस में जाते हैं फिर से। ठीक है। कॉन्स डेटा इक्वल्स टू अवेट रिस्पॉन्स डॉट जेसन। अच्छा, ठीक है, चलो ये देखते हैं ये काम करता है क्या। यस, रिस्पॉन्स आया, रिस्पॉन्स आया। ओके, सो रिस्पॉन्स, इनसाइड रिस्पॉन्स वी हैव रिस्पॉन्स डॉट बॉडी, response dot body, response the status 500, data is not defined, data is not defined. Okay, blog sending the result only for now, please. यहाँ पर response type basic, headers body, why is body triple dot? we have a response. In response, it says 500 internal server error. Okay. Are you even getting the request? Please just submit this. Okay. So on submitting this, blog is not defined. Wow. Const blog equals to new blog request dot body. ठीक है, अब चलेगा. All right, please work. Blog validation field title is required. टाइटल इज रिक्वायर्ड, ऐसा क्यों आता है? स्निपेट इज रिक्वायर्ड. गाइस किसी वजह से ना इसके अंदर ना बॉडी आ रही नहीं है. मैं थोड़ा रिसर्च करके आपको बताता हूँ यहाँ पर बॉडी क्यों नहीं आ रही है, बल्कि जबकि ये बाजू में बस एग्जैक्ट कोड रखा हुआ है, वो भी ऐसी ही है, फिर भी ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए. क्यों नहीं हो रहा है समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. रिक्वेस्ट डॉट बॉडी प्लीज अनडिफाइंड आ रहा है. ओके, so we will continue this lecture tomorrow. For some reason it is not working, so I just don't want to stress it out right now. ठीक है शिव, हम कल करेंगे.
ओके सर.
उसके अंदर बॉडी आ रही नहीं है, आना तो चाहिए पर किसी वजह से नहीं आ रही है. ठीक है, मैं आपको बता देता हूँ क्या एरर है और फिर हम कल इसी को ही रिपीट करेंगे. ओके
ओके सर.
चलो.
सर आज
हाँ बोलो.
9 बजे फ्री रहेंगे सर आप?
हाँ ठीक है, चलो आपका करेंगे आज. ओके
ओके सर. ओके सर.
चलो, नो प्रॉब्लम.
सर मुजम्मिल ने पहले लेफ्ट कर दिया.
हाँ उसकी नमाज का टाइम रहता है ये वाला, तो उसने बोला है मुझे 50 को रिमूव जाता है वो.
ओके ओके.
जल्दी जाता है एक्चुअली, बहुत जल्दी जाता है. 7:15 का टाइम है, मैं भी जाता हूँ. फिर भी उधर हैदराबाद में शायद अलग टाइम रहेगा, तो आई डोंट नो देन.
ओके ओके.
चलो बाय बाय एवरीवन. बाय शिव.
थैंक यू सर.
ओके सर.
बाय.